A big chunkus?
You chungus.
That's embarrassing. Well, that's amazing. Oh, that's what made this brown then.
Oh, I'm not borfing it up.
I don't know. Okay, Kiwick. Yeah, right. Uh-huh. I'm reacting. No. No! Yes! I must! Chad Choate. Sparty! Would you stop with the fucking buttons? Rig! Huh? Chicken patty! Come on, man.
I regret being a slut.
Coffee. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Pee pee poo poo.
Come. Egg.
You deal with packing dudes out here, eh? So you're not about the 4 inches, eh? Have you ever like fucked a 6-inch claw? It kind of hurts, right? Like you gotta use chopsticks you gotta use tweezers. You gotta use tweezers to jerk them off.
What is a miscarriage?
No, micro penis.
A they, them, receding hairline man in a dress, among us.
I too like stuff. Really? I think I have heard. Really? You're right.